So you want to know why local SEO is important for SEO? Then watch this video where I'm going to share 3 big tips on why you need to do local SEO. Hey, welcome back to the Entrepreneur Shack. My name is Amanda and I help small business owners get more traffic into your business using search engine optimization. So if you don't want to miss any more awesome content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. So the first reason why SEO is important for SEO is because local SEO is underserved, and that means it's easy for you to get some quick wins under your belt, especially if you're just starting out. Because when it comes to local SEO, there's different areas that you can target. You can go broader and you can narrow in to even a specific neighborhood. I talk a little bit more about that in my SEO mistakes to avoid video, which I'll put a link to right above here. So let me know in the comments below, does your business already rank in local search results? Yes or no? Now the second and third reason is based off this map pack, which is a very prominent feature in the search results. And the key here is to get in the top 3 of the map pack. So that brings us to reason number 2, which is to target local users. Now, even if you don't have a physical location that people can come and visit, you can still capitalize on those local search results. Because now almost 50% of searches are based on the local area. And last but definitely not least, the number 3 reason why local SEO is important for SEO is because mobile users. So again, that map pack is going to show to mobile users, and you want to be the one in there when those guys are searching, because mobile users makes up over 80% of searches nowadays, and it's only going to get higher. So those are the 3 main reasons why you really have to focus on your local SEO if you want to boost your search engine ranking. And hey, if you want to learn more about search engine optimization and how you can do SEO for your business, make sure you grab my free SEO checklist down in the description below this video. If you found this useful, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.